back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you Google has introduced the new selfie video security feature. In this video I will show you how to add it and how to remove it and what to do if you can't find the option. So for this guys, you need to have your Google account logged in on your device. If you are using the Android phone or any other device, you need to update the Google app. So open the Play Store and here you need to search Google, and if the app update is there, simply go ahead update your app. After updating, simply you need to open the app. So you can also open another Google app like Gmail. Open it, and in the top right side corner here you can get your profile picture. Tap on it and then tap on manage account settings, and then scroll down. Here you can get the option security and sign in. Just tap on it and then scroll down slightly. Here you can get selfie video option. So I have already recorded one selfie video. So as you can see guys, selfie video is showing here. If you want to delete it, just open this, okay, like this. After opening, from here you can easily able to delete that recorded selfie video. Tap on delete button and confirm this. Now if you want to add a new selfie video, you can try this method, and here you can get the option selfie video. As you can see guys, just tap on it and enter your password of your Google account one time to verify the account is belong to you, and then tap on continue, accept this permission, tap on agree, tap on next. Now it will open the front camera. So just tap on start button and follow the on-screen instruction to record your selfie video. Once you recorded your selfie video successfully, it will start verifying. As you can see guys, now your selfie video has been saved. Tap on OK. So that's how you can easily able to add and remove the selfie video. So that's for today guys. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more useful tech tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.